Your transformation is not failing because of the code. It is being sabotaged by silence. Of every 100 SAP S/4HANA programs starting this year, 60 will overrun budget and schedule. 65 will ship at a quality the business calls severe. But only 21 will hire a single change management consultant. The technical work was never the hard part. The human work was, and no one bought it. 20 years inside, a system teaches you exactly one thing: how to be indispensable. The senior process owner who built the workaround in 2014, the data steward who is the master copy of 3 undocumented rules, the approver whose signature has been the airbag for a decade. Their power is not the title, it is the no. The no that has protected the business from the version of itself that had not thought hard enough yet. Status quo bias, the psychological mechanism, is not stubbornness. The peer-reviewed literature calls it vital to how humans decide whether to keep what works or trust what is new. And in 2026, that calculation got harder. The World Economic Forum asked over 11,000 executives where AI value would land. 45% expect higher profit margins. 12% expect higher wages. 45 to 12. The gatekeepers can do that math too. Withholding is not pathology. It is rational equilibrium. Silence has a signature. A 2022 meta-analysis of 168 studies and 63,000 employees found psychological safety negatively correlated with employee silence at -0.49. That is a large effect in the academic sense. When safety is low, people stop talking. Documentation gaps, delayed approvals, calls that go quiet when you ask the hard question. The same body of work, Fraser and colleagues, 136 studies, shows what safety unlocks. Information sharing at 0.52. Learning behavior at 0.62. These are the exact behaviors your S/4HANA program needs from its experts. They are the ones you cannot get without rebuilding the floor first. The seductive idea in 2026 is that AI will route around the people problem. The DORA team studied 5,000 software practitioners this year. Their conclusion is the one every executive needs taped to the wall. AI does not fix a team. It amplifies what was already there. Strong teams use it to get faster. Struggling teams see their dysfunction get loud. 90% of practitioners use AI tools today. 30% still do not trust the code it writes. Trust is the gate. Capability is not the problem. So the antidote is not more reassurance. It is authorship. Give the gatekeepers the pen. Let them bake 20 years of judgment into the rules. Policy as code. Governance artifacts. Sandboxes that fail loudly without breaking production. You are not replacing the expert. You are widening their surface area. EY and Oxford Saïd Business School followed 1,646 transformations across 23 countries. Leaders who treated turning points as moments to listen, make sense, and then act were 12 times more likely to succeed. 72% versus 6. The expert in the loop is not a slogan. It is the only configuration where institutional knowledge survives and AI rollout intact. The job is not to eliminate the no. The job is to make the no a signal you can act on. Your biggest skeptic is your best telemetry. Resistance is data, not defiance. Lead the silence. The work will follow.